Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila. Hi, Shishi.
Hi, this is Miss Sheila, and we're back again to do another recipe. And I got my sidekick here, Jin Jin, and this recipe is called Easy Chicken.
I like easy.
Oh, I do too. I love easy. When I saw that, I said, this is my kind of cooking.
So what you're going to need to start today's recipe is 2 to 3 packages of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cooking oil, your choice, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, a package of Swiss cheese, and 1 can of seasoned breadcrumbs.
We start out with a little bit of oil in a baking dish. I can't wait to try this one. And then here's a chicken breast halves. Get involved here, girlfriend.
I'm working it. I'm gonna put
Work
some
it, work
chicken
it.
in the pan.
Work it here. Yeah, there you go. The best part is the cheese, Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese, okay.
Swiss cheese. And you lay that on top of each one of these. Like that. And this one. And then this one.
So after you put the cheese on, then what do you use?
Then you use the cream of mushroom.
Cream of mushroom.
2 cans of this. Which I love this stuff.
You know, I'm all about easy recipes. I don't know about you, but when you're tired at the end of the day, it's just nice to have something that cooks up very fast and feeds everybody. Yeah.
I like raking it out. Can't you hear me?
Okay.
Can't you hear me just raking
That's
it out?
really good.
I know, raking it out here.
Kind of like, you know, nails on a chalkboard, but
Yeah, that works.
it works. So then you just kind of spread it over that.
Yeah. So.
Do you have to add any seasoning to this or anything? Is it pretty much everything in there?
Only thing that's left is breadcrumbs. So I have those over here on my side. I don't know why I've got them over here, but I've got they're over here.
It's because we're really organized.
We are such organized cooks.
We're extremely organized cooks.
As you can tell, I am so organized.
Well, you know Steve would be just laughing at us right now.
Oh gosh, would he ever? You got the oven on?
No. Then you just sprinkle breadcrumbs.
Yeah, you just put as many as you want, I guess.
So we put the oven on, what, 350?
350.
Okay. And how long does this have to bake for?
50 minutes till the chicken is done.
Well, that's usually a good sign. Yeah, that depends on your oven though, because some ovens cook a little slower or a little faster, so you'll probably want to kind of modify that a little bit depending on what your oven does.
I'm going to put mine in the Easy Bake.
Okay. We'll put it in the oven and see what it comes out like.
Okay. Here we go.
So we just took this out of the oven. It cooked for 50 minutes on 350. And it looks really,
Yeah, it
really
looks really
good.
good.
So we're going to try some of this. All right. So you just take that and put that. Oh, that looks really yummy.
Yes.
Put that right there.
Yes. Okay, got the cheese, Swiss cheese.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, here comes the tester. Mmm. Oh, yeah.
Good.
That's right.
As Steve would say, if this is not the best easy chicken, if it ain't, it ought to be.
We've got some fun shows coming up with some special guests, and we can't wait for you to see them.
Like a little kid in first grade school pictures.
Take, I don't know what take it is. It's too many takes.
Take 99. And it was on for 50 minutes and for 3, what is it? 3, I told you I don't know nothing about an oven.
It was on for 3.
Just took this out of the oven.
Did we?
Yeah, believe it or not, I took this out of the oven
We
that
just
wasn't
did.
on to start with.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Well, we had to wait for it to heat up.
Yeah. Oh, huh?
I'm not doing it, I'm blowing.
No, I mean,
Huh?
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 Take 95. That works.
Okay.
Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.